Hello and welcome. Let's learn how to play You're Still the One on our guitars. We only need chords D, G, A, and E minor. I'll give you a few strumming patterns and you can choose the one that's right for you. If you're an absolute beginner, then just strum once and count to 2 every time you see a chord, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, G, 1, 2, A, 1, 2. If you can do a little bit more, then strum on both beats. So 1, 2, 1, 2, G, 1, 2, A, and then repeat it. 2, 1, 2, G. If you're more advanced, do these with us so that you can warm up as well. If you can do a little bit more, then this is the strumming pattern I'm going to be doing. And it's nice because I can sing and play it. It's down, 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 up every time you see a chord. And I count it as 1 and 2 and down. 1 and 2 and down. 1 and 2, G, A. 1 and 2 and down. 1 and 2 and a G. Yeah. Okay, so now let's learn the intro. The good news is that you've already learned the intro because it's D, D, G, A. Let's play it and let's do it twice just so we can really get comfortable with it. 1, 2, choose your strumming pattern. 1, 2, breathe, ready, go now. 1 and 2 and down. 1. Switch to G, A. Do it again for me. 1 and 2 and G and A. I have great news is that this pattern is also what we need in the verse. So let's just go straight into the verse. Take a breath. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go now.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet we'll never make it, but just...
Okay, so now we get to go into the next section, or should we run this again? Let's run this again before we go into the next section. Let's do it one more time. 1, at the verse, 2, 1, 2, ready, go now.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet we'll never make it, but just...
Now we go into the pre-chorus and the pattern changes slightly, just slightly. Now we're going to be doing D, G, A, A. So D and 2 and a G and then A again. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, delta, 1 and 2, switch, and then A. So that sneaks up on us. Try it again. D, G, and A. And we only do that twice, so this is kind of like a pre-chorus section that it builds it up. So let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go.
Look at us holding on. We're still together, still holding strong. We're still the one.
Then we would go into the chorus. But let's do something fun. Actually, let's do 2 things. Would you please help support this page by hitting the like button, writing a comment, or subscribing, following, because that really helps this channel perform well. Next thing we're going to do is put together the verse and the pre-chorus. Keep in mind it has that tricky switch where we go from playing 2 Ds to the pre-chorus with 2 A's at the end. Okay? You got this. You can do it. Take a breath. 1, 2, 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go.
Baby, look how far we've come, my baby. But it took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still holding strong. You're still the one I run to.
Now we have entered the most challenging part of the song, and let me teach you the layers that I use whenever I'm learning a new song and there's a tricky section. First layer, I play everything in down strum. So the D to the G to the E minor to the A, I'm going to give it one single strum. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and go back to the D chord, G, A again. Once my fretboard hand is comfortable, I add a little bit more strumming. Let's do that again. 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and D for delta, 2 and 1 and A for alpha, and 2 and 3 and 4 and add more strumming this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 down. So these are the layers. This is how I learn a new song. The next layer for me would be to start humming the melody. So let's try it again. 1, 2, hum the melody. 1, 2, ready, come.
Da, 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 da.
If you're ready, add the lyrics. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Now you've learned everything you need to play the whole song, so that's really nice. We'll do a playthrough of intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, just to really wrap it all up. And this is Kit Kat, by the way. I set her up a little spot here so that you can see her when she comes asking for cuddles. Now, 2 little things. I want to thank Martin for sending over this beautiful guitar. I will add more information about it down below, but it's gorgeous. It's their Inception Maple. And then another thing, if you would like to attend lessons that I teach, but live via Zoom, I do those for my Patreon members. So patreon.com/Bernadette Teaches Music. Or if you would like to support the channel in any way, I have a website where I put PDFs that I make, music education PDFs, and you can use these with your students or for yourself or with homeschooling. So that's another way you can support the channel. All right, let's do our playthrough. Ready, Kit Kat? Yeah? Okay, let's do this. I thought you'd be able to see her, but I'm blocking her. There she is. Okay, intro. Here we go. Breathe. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, intro twice. Go.
Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet we'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still holding strong. Still the one I run to, one that I belong to, still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, only one I dream of, still the one I kiss goodnight, still the one.
Kit Kat and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and we hope that you'll join us for future ones as well. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments down below where in the world you are watching from. And if you've been watching as long as I've had Kit Kat, because I used to do vlogs on the YouTube channel where I vlogged the day that I found her on the side of the street. So she was teeny tiny. Anyway, thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next one.